Hola amigos! If you want to learn how to make a delicious and easy chicken wings with some mustard and honey, stay tuned. This is Fatima, Spanish Kitchen. If you haven't been in my kitchen before, welcome you, and here you can find recipes from my country of origin, Spain. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious dish that is chicken wings with some mustard and honey. Hola amigos, hoy voy a compartir con ustedes una receta de pollo, de alitas de pollo con miel y mostaza. Son deliciosas. For that recipe, we are going to use chicken wings. As I always told you here in this channel, I try to use organic chicken because I found it that is better quality, is good for you, and tastes much better. Here I have 1 pound of chicken wings that they cut the thigh. They are very clean, and you pat dry very well. So in a bowl, I have here 10 tablespoon of honey. Basically it's the same amount of honey as mustard. So here I put my 10 spoons of honey, and now I have the Dijon mustard that I do the same, 10 tablespoons. So here I have 10 spoons. So what I do is I'm going to mix it really well to make a paste. You see how become everything together. I'm going to add garlic powder, just a little bit, a pinch, and some salt, and I mix everything really well. We are going to put all our chicken wings inside our paste. And we are going to mix it really well with a spoon, so all of them, they get really soaked in that paste, you see. And I like it to leave it like 5 minutes in that paste. I have my oven on, and it's 392 Fahrenheit, that is 200 Celsius. Here I have all the chicken wings that I told you that, we leave it like 5 minutes so they get soaked and all the flavor in. I have an oven-proof tray that I put some parchment paper on top. You can put, aluminum foil if you want. So now we are going to place all our chicken in the tray. You basically, put it with all the meat up, and really soak. So I put all the wings up, all the meat up, and I leave all the, the sauce that is there, I keep it. So now I'm going to put it in the oven for 15 minutes. 15 minutes have passed. So now what we have to do is turn it around. That smells so good. You see how it's starting to cook? We just turn it. A little bit. And now, because I have some sauce, we are just going to paint it a little bit. And we are going to put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes, or until we see that they're crispy. So our wings are done. Don't you think they look extremely crispy and it smells so nice? So this is our dish. So good. So you see, that was really easy, very crispy. So of course we have to try it. And the wings are that smells so good. So really good, because between the mustard and the honey, you know, it's like a crispy taste, and you know, I think also the honey make it, you know, it's so good. You have to try that one. With a salad, you can serve it with the white rice, with a plain, you know, salad, or just take it like this, like a tapa with a different dishes that look so good. If you like that type of video, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. I hope you have enjoyed my recipe of this week, and I hope to see you next week. Take care.